Alright, so we kind of marked this out last night, which I didn't film it, but see, we should do it here. It's gonna be kind of tight here, though.
Yeah.
They're not that, but you can't go any closer to the pool. You know, so that bit will bounce down.
So we're gonna make it wrap around the pool.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna go around the pool. It's gonna be like one level here, and then it's gonna step up, and then be another level right under this edge.
Okay.
That's the plan. I could have brought it all up that high.
So you think we'll be able to jump
do
from the deck into the pool?
Yeah, you'll be able to walk. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna go right under here, so you just jump in there, and then the ladder will kind of wrap down around. I would have put the whole deck that high, but he wants to do a sliding glass door.
Yeah.
We're trying to be careful here because the sewer line's right there. But this is, we got one there, one there. So we'll probably do 4 in this row. And then back here, you can't really see, but we got these marked out. Then we have 3 over here. And on the back. Go crazy with that one there because the sewer's right under it, so we gotta be careful. But because all this property is full of these round rocks, so that's good because we get frost here, but we don't really have to worry about frost with all these rocks underneath. Put me against that block foundation.
Just hold them right against the face, Trey.
172.
Okay.
Do the same over here. And I'll need a, throw a couple of those pins over here.
Yeah. You want the big pins?
Not yet, those are for later. You can throw them over. Perfect. Alright.
172.
The same. Throw that. Yep, and then hold me right on that foundation. Out. Probably take a rake and pull some of the dirt off. 28 feet.
Huh?
28.
What's it going so fast?
You have another couple of those steaks available?
Ready?
Yep. Yep. They're kind of close. Well, oh, the other one's right there. Yeah, we gotta check this one.
Yeah.
And when you put your steak in, you want to make sure it's centered to the hole. No, you want this one to be the same because you're squaring it off the house.
That's cool. Wow, they're all 4 foot. Look at them.
All right. It's all solid stone under here anyway.
Yeah.
You ain't got nothing to worry about then. We'll use that one wherever.
Be right back, bro.
Alright. You have a marker in your pocket?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yup.
Alright, let's see. So you just want to go center to your sonotube. Torpedoes are great for this. That's perfect. You want to level all these. Do that. Right on the money. That's not. Right there. Perfect.